So this video is going to be about greenhouse gases and climate change. So climate change is going to be a directional change in temperature, precipitation, or any other aspect of the global climate that lasts longer than 3 decades. And so it's important that it's a directional change because that means that climate change isn't just random fluctuations in temperature, it's a consistent change that's all going in the same direction. For example, warming. And so climate change can be measured as a change in temperature or a change in precipitation because the combination of temperature and precipitation is what actually produces climate. And so humans are contributing to global climate change through greenhouse gas emissions in a really major way. And so what are greenhouse gases? So greenhouse gases are things like carbon dioxide, methane, and even things like water vapor. And so what they're going to do is they're going to kind of act like a blanket that insulates the Earth and prevents heat from being reflected off of the Earth's surface and back into space. So instead, the greenhouse gases will absorb some of that heat that's being reflected from the Earth and even send it back down towards the surface of the Earth, which just leads to this kind of worsening cycle of warming. So this diagram is a really good diagram to use to explain how greenhouse gases work. So we'll start with our solar radiation being coming into the Earth's atmosphere, and some of it gets reflected back into space, but a lot of it makes it to the surface of the Earth where it is absorbed and used to heat the surface of the Earth. And then once that heat is going to be radiated off the Earth and back into space, what happens is those greenhouse gases are going to absorb that heat and then radiate it back down towards the Earth. So that is going to actually warm the Earth up even more instead of allowing that heat to escape through the atmosphere like it would be able to if there were less greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. And so that's why we say that greenhouse gases act as a blanket, because when they reflect that heat back down towards the surface of the Earth, they're contributing to the increased warming of the surface of the Earth. I hope you found this video really helpful. The concepts and information presented in this video will be true no matter what biology class you are taking. However, the concepts presented in this video are referencing material currently covered in Baylor University's coursework. Remember, if you are a currently enrolled Baylor student, we offer free tutoring services in our tutoring center, which is located on the first floor of the Sid Richardson building. You will find all the details you need about these services on our website, which is www.baylor.edu/tutoring. You can schedule a free 30-minute one-on-one tutoring session online or just drop in during any of our business hours. For more information about our current services, please visit our website. Thank you.